Welcome guys in our YouTube channel. So in this session you are going to focus on how to apply data cleansing techniques in your SQL table. So data cleansing is an essential part of the data processing pipeline to ensure that the data used for analysis or modeling is accurate, consistent, and reliable. Okay, so first of all, duplicity. So this is the first part for any data pipeline. Okay, if you want, if you are going to bring any data from any sources, it may be in a CSV, or it may be in a text file, or it may be in a database table. So here let's go through for it. So I have a table employee. If you have any question, you can ask us. Okay, so here you can see we have this data, and you can see there is a lot of duplicity, like employee ID 1, it is repeating at row number 9. The same thing is row number 17. So we are going to remove this duplicity. Before doing this, let's copy this data, and we are going to place the data in our Excel file. Okay, so here you can see we have this data. Now if you want to remove duplicates in your Excel file, so in this case you are going to select these rows, and in the data format you can see uh, there is a option remove duplicates. So you can choose the columns which is you are going to verify must have a unique record at row level. We are talking about the row level, and click on OK button. Here you can see it has removed all the duplicates record. The same thing we are going to do in our SQL table. Okay, so here, so in SQL you can use two clauses to remove duplicates. One is distinct and another one is group by. So if you want to re remove duplicates, so we are going to use distinct. Okay, now you can see we have removed the duplicates. Okay, so distincts work on a at a row level, and if you are going to use group by, then you have to put all the column in after group by close group by, then you have to pass all the data, all the columns. Okay, here now I'm going to run this. So the difference between distinct and the group by is that group by will work as a summarize summarizing your data. That means if you want to apply group by to remove duplicity from your data, that means you have to pass all the column in a group by clause. Okay, but in distinct it is not needed. So you can see it is very easy to remove duplicates from your data in SQL by using distinct and or you can say group by clause. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.